on this episode, I'll teach you all how to create a tunnel using mass and site in Revit. So before we start, please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to become a part of this family. Let's get to it. Okay, so first of all, what you do is you have to make sure you are in your level 1, which is what you do now. And let's get to massing and site. So this is what it says. What we'll do is actually you have to show mass so that everything we will do here will be seen or shown. What we will do next is you just have to hit here and then just name it, maybe mass 1 for example, and hit OK. So as this is here, just take your rectangle tool and let's draw this very nice rectangle somewhere, let's say here for example. This is okay, and let's select it and hit on create a form, and that's it. So this is what we do, and as you all can see, it's not yet done. We ain't done yet. What you have to do next is the hole that we will create inside it. So let's do that. What we do next is you take this line just like that, and then you just have to draw something like this, and you take this line as well and just draw something like that to this side, and let's take the line 2 again and then just join them back to it, right into that as well. So what we will do next is actually you just have to do this, and then you hit on the form, the arrow down there, and then you select void. Exactly. So what we'll do is you just have to pull it backwards. Okay, so this is it. This is our beautiful tunnel that we have just done. So let's add some materials. Let's add something. Okay, so let's add walls for example, and let's see what we get, and let's add our roof too as well. So this is a roof, let's add it. Good. So let's create a roof. So let's see. Okay, so this is the tunnel we have just done. We ain't done yet. Let's do last thing, which is the interior walls. Take this wall and hit it in the interior all over. It says unjoin elements and blah blah blah. Let's hit OK, and do the same thing for this side as well. So what we do is just hit on this side, and then again take the ball and then just hit on this side, and we are good to go. So this is how we do a tunnel in Revit. Please like and subscribe to this channel, it really helps us a lot. This is where we will end this video. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be safe.